Life's Little Mysteries answers fascinating questions about the world around you in the stuff. Check out our Life's Little Mysteries podcast, where we answer questions about mysteries big and small, about ancient civilizations, our planet and solar system, the plants and animals that live alongside us, our bodies and how they work, and more. But before starting the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start the video. What stops nuclear weapons from accidentally detonating? There are a few strategies for keeping nuclear weapons from accidentally detonating, including where and how the nuclear components are stored. Nuclear weapons can kill millions of people, wipe out entire cities, and render soil in the fallout zone infertile for generations. Whereas some early nuclear weapons were fragile or volatile, modern nuclear weapons are carefully designed with high levels of safety, security, and reliability. Which came first, the chicken or the egg? Most biologists will answer confidently when asked which came first, the chicken or the egg. But the answer may depend on what type of egg you're talking about. You've heard the age-old riddle, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Taken metaphorically, it's a meditation on the futility of determining the cause of a self-perpetuating cycle. Taken literally, it's a great question for evolutionary biologists. Chickens come from eggs, but eggs come from chickens. So, which came first? Regardless of which came first, biologists and philosophers agree that chickens and eggs have something important in common. They're both delicious. What did the ancient Egyptian pyramids look like when they were built? The ancient Egyptian pyramids have stood for thousands of years and are among the world's most enduring monuments. The Egyptian pyramids erupting from the sands at Giza are a testament to human ingenuity and engineering. Raised to mark the tombs of ancient pharaohs, these great structures have stood for thousands of years. Do bees have knees? Bees do have a femur and a tibia. If anyone has ever called you the bee's knees, take it as a compliment. The phrase dates back to the 1920s and describes a highly admired person or thing. According to the Merriam-Webster dictionary first, let's consider the knee we know best, our own. The human knee is a complicated structure. It includes 3 bones, the femur, tibia, and patella. But it's not just bones. An assortment of cartilage, ligaments, and tendons, with the help of lubricants, all work in sync to help you straighten and bend your leg at the knee. Many other animals, such as birds, mammals, and some reptiles also have knees with kneecaps. How big is the largest possible earthquake? The amount of energy released in an earthquake is controlled by how much of the crust breaks. The good news is, we're not likely to see a magnitude 10. Geoscientists say is yes. However, the chances of a much larger quake are low. While a quake larger in magnitude than 9.5 could occur, it would require an enormous chunk of crust to break all at once, the movement of a fault both enormously deep and extraordinarily long. There aren't many places on Earth where that could happen. A 9.5 magnitude quake is probably right around the upper limit for what the planet can generate. And a magnitude 10 is extremely unlikely. Do elephants really never forget? Elephants are known for their extraordinary memories, though it's not strictly accurate to say an elephant never forgets. The pachyderms did evolve to remember details that are key to their survival. For example, elder African elephants can recall the unique sounds and smells of predators, even discriminating between different groups of people. Depending on their odor and clothing color, retrace their steps to find water holes in the arid savanna, and distinguish family members and associates from hundreds of other elephants. Are rainbows really arches? If you have the right vantage point, a rainbow might look circular. Here's the science behind why some rainbows look like arches and others don't. Rainbows are colorful arches that stretch high into the sky, and they end somewhere in the distance, right? Wrong. Rainbows are actually not arches. They form as full circles when sunlight passes through raindrops at just the right angle. However, only part of the circle, the arch, is visible to the observer on the ground. Earth's surface blocks the rest of the light, and, therefore, the rest of the halo, which is why it appears as a rainbow. What is brain fog? Mental fuzziness can be frustrating and can be caused by lack of sleep or even an underlying illness. Have you ever been so tired you couldn't think straight or gotten stuck rereading the same sentence over and over? For people who live with brain fog, these experiences are part of everyday life. But what exactly is brain fog? And is it a cause for concern? The term is typically used to describe a constellation of persistent symptoms, including difficulty focusing, mild confusion, fuzzy or sluggish thoughts, forgetfulness, and a general sense of fatigue. Most people have some passing familiarity with these sensations, but if these feelings become chronic, they can affect a person's quality of life. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.